Yo, what's good, everybody? All right, so if you follow me, you know I eat a lot of my food from the food pantry, and I want to show you how it is. So I got some peanut butter, got some nuts, and this is from the food pantry. You know, these you gotta just cut off, but let me show you how I do it. All right, so I'll get like a little scoop of peanut butter like this. I'm start eating. I'll peel it a little bit. Let me peel this. Oh, grapefruit. I thought it was an orange. I'm not a fan of grapefruit though. And then these are dried fruits. It's like a nutmeg. It's like almonds and raisins, and dried apples. They're good for you. I like getting those bags. All right, now for this. See the back part? You cut it out. And that's how it looks all cleaned up. And you eat the whole thing. The whole thing. Make a little peanut butter on there. More some nuts. All right, so this is half a quarter melon, little quarter cantaloupe, 2 peaches, pears. This is my third one. I had several handfuls of the nuts and peanut butter. I just realized I wasn't talking. I just realized I wasn't talking loud enough. So I'm gonna make this. This is gonna be the last pair. And we'll see what happens. Let me finish this. My space is running out of my camera. Okay, I did not eat the grapefruit, peanut butter, nuts. That's what it looks like. I'm done. And that's how I stay healthy while eating from fruit. And that's how I stay healthy while. And that's I think that's how I stay healthy while eating from food. And I think that's how I stay healthy while eating food from my food pantry. Peace and love, y'all.